Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a big one, giving a presentation at work. We're using our special double loop method today for deep learning. Here's how it works. First, I'll say a sentence, then speaker 2 will repeat it slowly in small chunks for you to shadow. After that, I'll say it again, and finally, speaker 2 will say it at a normal conversational speed. Before we jump in, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you want to speak English with confidence. Ready to rock your next meeting? Let's dive in. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me.
Hi everyone. Thanks for joining me.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining me.
Hi everyone. Thanks for joining me.
I'll keep this short and sweet.
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 Today, I want to share some news.
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 Please take a look at this.
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 This chart shows our recent growth.
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 As you can see, sales improved.
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 Let's move on to the data.
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 That is a very great point.
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 Does anyone have any questions?
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 Let's wrap things up for today.
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 This slide is my favorite.
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 Let's look at the details.
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 We are making great progress.
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 Let me rephrase that part.
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 Any thoughts on this idea?
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 That covers the main points.
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 I'll email the slides later.
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 Let's take a quick break.
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 I really value your feedback.
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 We are ahead of schedule.
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 Feel free to jump in.
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 I'll explain that in detail.
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 Can you all hear me?
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 We have a clear plan.
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 This is a key point.
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 I'm happy to help.
I'm happy to help.
I'm happy to help.
I'm happy to help.
Thank you for your time. You did a great job. See you in the next video.